Ships on vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, raving soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite German shields and spears. Vows of favor of the thrill of thunder.
I think we're coming up to the river here. Because I see water. Backwater. There we go.
Nice spot.
Yeah, you've come here to go carp fishing, huh? It's too bad they didn't have this a little more cleared over there. Had more room for other, well, poles, you know. I guess if you had one on, you could always bring them over to the landing here. Yeah. Oh, where are we here? Oh, glaring sun. We're here. That's where we are. Okay. Oops. You going swimming, Paul? It's rocking and rolling today.
The rain. Across the river here.
Yeah. I'm going to put a trailer hitch on this. Yeah. Come here.
Yeah.
Down. When we get here, this isn't, I don't think this is viable anymore. I'm not sure. We'll go check all this out here. When we came off here, we made a quick shortcut. But we can check all this out. They got a wicked sledding hill back here. But I don't know if they use it. What'd you find?
Campground. They put campground way inside, so they're gonna trap you in case you want to get out.
No problem getting out. Getting back in is another story.
Oh, you mean at nighttime?
Yeah, they got them spikes.
Yeah, you need a camera there too. It's okay if you ride a bike.
We're exempt from all laws. We think do not enter means enter. We think no trespassing means welcome. We think stop means slow down.
something from nothing. Our blessings come one in a dozen. The other heaven is something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing certain, I'll always be
You want to explore that?
You know the rope how to take this thing out? Go ahead.
Yeah, here. This is it here.
Somewhere.
The little dotted line.
Dotted lines. All right.
If it gets too rough, we turn around. If not, we get lost. I'm up for exploring.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way. On the highway and on the driveway is a nice range. 'Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredients, believe me. They can see with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you
Sorry, Paul. Oh, I got stuck. No. Well, I see why they stopped mowing.
Something went up there. That's a path.
Well, they might have come down it.
Yeah.
I'm good. I'm turning around.
Walked up like that.
Yeah, I suppose. Oh. Okay.
Walking with just one. Really good.
There's some pretty heavy shit in here.
Oh, you hit it. Oh, there's a stump there. Oh.
No, it's a weed. Yeah. I'm caught in it.
Oh, the chain went around it. Good, good fight.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I know. Oh, no, you can't.
I ain't gonna help. Oh. It's. Well, can you lift it higher?
Okay.
I don't know what it did to my derailleur. It's all back on.
No, I didn't do anything for later.
I think I'll go back. It's pretty steep. And there's a lot of that. Hey.
Where'd it come from? No, it's not my bike.
My bike. Well, it doesn't matter because you've been walking in it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like such a nice.
Yeah, you'd have the fun of going back down there. This all trails shows topographic, all on the same map. Okay, and that shows up on it.